Okay, Algebra 2. This is a review for what we have coming up on piecewise functions. I remember we started out with interval notation. So a number line was a good visual. So x greater than equal to 5. So somewhere there is a number 5. Greater than equal to means close circle and shade to the right. So somewhere out here is positive infinity. So this interval is going to be 5 to infinity. Bracket around the 5, parentheses around infinity. Next interval, x is less than or equal to 2. Somewhere on this number line there is a number 2. Less than or equal to means close circle and shade to the left. So in this direction of negative infinity. So that interval is negative infinity up to 2 with a bracket around the 2. This one, x is less than or equal to 6, greater than equal to 4. It might make more sense if you put the smallest number on the left, so it may be more logical for you to see it like this. Either way, you can get to what you're wanting just by putting two numbers on the number line. Smallest number to the left, that's negative 4. Biggest number to the right, that is 6. I don't really care about the number of spaces in between. I'm not going for accuracy. I'm just looking for a visual here. So what about x greater than negative 4? That's an open circle on the negative 4, shade to the right. Less than or equal to 6, that's a closed circle on the 6, and shade to the left, okay? So that is one interval. That interval is negative 4 to 6 with a parentheses on the negative 4 and a square bracket around the 6. Part D, x is less than negative 1 or x is greater than 9. Smallest number of those is negative 1. The biggest number is 9. Less than or equal to negative 1. That is a closed circle, shade to the left. Greater than 9. That's an open circle, shade to the right. I see two distinct intervals here. So my answer will be negative infinity up to negative 1 with a bracket. And this or, mathematically, we use the union sign to mean or. And the next interval I see there is 9 to infinity. Okay, so that's a little primer on interval notation. Next, I'm given a piecewise defined function, and I'm asked to evaluate this function. Okay, so this is broken into two pieces. One, this is valid over the interval negative 4 to 4. And the next piece is valid over the interval 4 to 10. So from 4 to 10, okay? So f of 2, where does 2 lie? 2 lies in the interval contained by this function right here, the first one. So f of 2 is going to be negative 2 times 2 plus 3. So that's negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1, okay? F of 4, the definition of 4 is also that first function because 4 is included in the first interval, not the second. So f of 4 is negative 2 times 4 plus 3. So that's negative 8 plus 3. That is negative 5. F of 10. If I look at this interval from 4 to 10, I've got a parentheses around the 10. So 10 is not part of the domain. So this is undefined. So there is no evaluation of f of 10. That should be it for page 1. So we'll continue on page 2 in just a moment.